Thank you for all coming today. We really appreciate it. What a great day for an open house, a party. My name is Dave McBride, and I have the distinct honor of being the owner and leader of this fantastic organization. We recently completed the construction of our new addition. We expanded the space to enable us to expand our team. We are proud to announce the addition of Paul Dreyer, our lead designer, Julie Kuknicki, our director of First Impressions. We have also launched our property management division and welcome aboard Brad Koffel. Brad. We've also added a hard-working fella to our team, so be sure to stop by and say hello to Earl. You can see him out there 24/7. But the biggest change is our name. As we reflected on all the growth, we came to recognize we had outgrown our name, McBride Construction. We needed to rebrand so that our company name would better reflect what we do day in and day out. And we decided to rebrand the company as McBride Remodeling. Today forward, we are now McBride Remodeling. None of this would be possible without the support of so many people. First and foremost, I want to thank my wife Joy for her unending patience, love, and encouragement. I also want to thank many of our clients, and thank you to our clients for referring their friends. We also want to acknowledge our team members. Without them, we couldn't perform the magic and create the wonderful experiences for our clients. And I'd be remiss if I failed to mention our trade partners, from our plumbers to our painters, from our excavators to our masons. They all do fabulous work, and we would not be a success without them. Thanks to all for being with us today to celebrate this occasion. And before you go, take a picture by Earl and post it on Facebook. And you'll have the opportunity to win this wonderful Yeti cooler that we had to mortgage the house for. And we'll be giving that away over the next couple weeks. So please enjoy yourself, and thank you very much for coming.